Okay, I've got another fruit that's new to me. This is a tropical fruit. It's commonly called star apple or Cainito or Caimito. Um, I've read that these are native to the Isthmus of Panama. Um, I've heard a lot about these for a while, so I'm excited to try this one. I got this at an ethnic grocery store. Have never seen it anywhere else before. This is a first. So it's got a good weight to it. It's very soft right now because it's ripe. Um, but let me cut into it here. It's got kind of a gelatinous insides. Ooh, yeah. Uh, the reason one of the common names is star apple is it's going to have like a star-shaped pattern inside, kind of like a star fruit does, but obviously it looks different. Trying to cut around whatever's going on in the center here. There we go. That smells good. It's got a few seeds. Wonder if I cut them. Actually, they're pretty big. Let me see if I can get that out. I can show you. Oh yeah, the seeds are huge. Cool. Kind of looks like a little like mollusk or mussel or something. Alright, let me set that aside. Get my spoon here. See, most people just eat it straight out of the skin, but I'm trying to stay a little bit clean. Not bad. It's more subtle than I was expecting. Based on when I've seen people eat these, they get really hyped. I think it's because it's an imported fruit, and it gets to sit around in a warehouse and on a shelf for a while, so maybe the flavor has declined a little bit. But it's good. It's got like a... I wouldn't say flowery. What could I compare that to? It's kind of grapey, kind of like a grape. Definitely says tropical to me. Really easy to eat. One person said applesauce. That's a good parallel. It is kind of semi-applesauce consistency. I love these colors though. Look at that. It's got like a deep purple pink. I think this is another one of those tropical fruits that if you're used to having it back home, then getting it here in California is not so easy. This is one that I usually see in like those online tropical fruit boxes. And I think some people like to... I ordered from them a few times to try some things. Doing a little more reading here. This says that the seeds can be eaten too, but you shouldn't eat the skin. Apparently the skin is not edible. So you shouldn't bite into it like an apple. Good to know. I think I'm picking up on more of the textures now that I've been finishing this off. It's kind of almost like a coconut milk texture. But very fruity. Actually, I know what else it's making me think of. So I like cacao pulp as well. Those are pretty good. Not the beans, but the pulp around the beans from cacao. This kind of reminds me of that. Like initially I was saying that it wasn't so floral, but now that I'm like getting deep into these juices and stuff, I'm picking up some of those notes that are giving me floral notes. And it's making me think of the cacao pulp. Obviously these are not related at all, but I think that's what it's making me think of right now. This is a new experience for sure. I would love to try more of these. Get a fresher one. All right, this is a good tiptoe into the pond, so to speak. So I want to try more of these. Usually when I get something new like this that's been imported, obviously, it's doesn't have that much of an impact. I think this is somewhere in between. It's like I can see how this could be really, really, really good. But the notes in it are kind of subdued for those reasons from being imported. Anyway, I want to try more of these. If you see these in a store and you've never tried it, and it's something you think you'd be interested in, it might be expensive because it's an imported tropical fruit. But if it's a new experience for you, I would say go for it. Anyway, now I'm rambling again, as usual. I'll see you guys in the next one.